The MA-II series is MIPRO's latest generation of wireless PA systems. The Plus versions support wireless control via mobile app, offering enhanced flexibility and convenience. The control panel features a clear, function-based layout for intuitive operation. It includes plug-in receiver transmitter modules, USB, SD, and MP3 control panel, Bluetooth module, DSP control and line-in, VOP switch and alarm. Supported module capacity varies by model. MA-727 supports up to 2 modules, MA-828 plus up to 4, and MA-929 plus up to 8. The MA-II series models support music playback via USB or SD card and offer Bluetooth connectivity for wireless audio streaming. They also feature Bluetooth TWS, allowing 2 units to be paired for true stereo playback. A dedicated remote control is included for convenient remote operation of MP3 playback. 2 bass drivers and 1 horn speaker are configured, delivering clear sound and wide coverage ideal for speeches, teaching, and performances. A patented foldable handle on top, combined with built-in wheels at the bottom, ensures effortless portability and transport.